welcome back to my channel. Today's video is actually going to be my New Year's goals, resolutions type of video, and I'm gonna make this a chit chat edition as I take time to thoroughly clean and declutter my office space. It's been a wreck for the past few weeks now, and I'm really just over it myself. I know my husband's tired of it and his little OCD, if you will. So I'm like, you know what? I wanted to take some time before January 1st to really thoroughly declutter and clean this office space up. Please make sure you give this video a thumbs up. Make sure you are subscribed to my channel. I really greatly appreciate it. And we are trying to reach 500 subscribers now as the next goal. Thank you again so much to those of you that have subscribed and were able to help me surpass my goal of 250 subscribers. Real quickly, I just want to show you guys what my desk and everything looks like right now. Mind you guys, I was running a small little Etsy shop business where I was selling like my own version of planner stickers and stationery and making handmade cards and selling them in packs of 5. For those that did not know, I actually did close that business, so I no longer have it. And maybe at some point in the future I will come back to that business and, you know, be a bit more precise, consistent with my items that I was making. Cart, which I am going to be keeping because I do love my cart. This whole rose gold cart is a 3-tiered cart, as you can see, and it is from Michaels. So initially hubby got this for me, thanks babe, so that I could keep all of my supplies neatly organized and stashed away here for my sticker shop. And now that I no longer have it, like you guys have probably seen on my social media, these were the cards that I was making and selling, like for different seasons. Like I had some for fall, and then I had bought a bunch of stuff to make some for Christmas season, but I got so discouraged, and it just really hit hard for me after giving birth. I thought I was going to be able to come back home and jump right back into working in my shop, and that was a complete lie. What I might do is honestly, no, I really don't know what to do with this stuff. And like I said, I feel like I just need to go ahead and toss. And then I'm going to show you guys real quick what my desk looks like. This is kind of like the neatest part, the cubbies. But like I need to do something with those because they're all like my tester samples for stickers I made to try them out myself before selling them in the shop. And then as you can see, like my whole desk is just cluttered and covered. And then it's my printer. And then my files of important documents. When I filed my LLC, all that documentation's in there. And then these little medical papers, pay stubs are in here. Just need to organize this. This gift bag came from my job. And then I bought some Christmas cards that I didn't even get out in time. I don't know about you all, but I can say, I've said it every year it seems now since like 2018 that, oh, this year is going to be my year. No, 2021 will be my year. If you guys look at the calendar, the new year starts on a Friday. That's already a good sign. That's a great sign. When have we had, I really don't know, but I don't know the last time we had a new year start on a Friday. My point I wanted to make is this is going to be my year because this is the year I graduate. You guys have been following my journey. You guys know that I started grad school last year in August, and it's been an amazing ride, an amazing experience. If you guys would like, I would love to make a separate video or a little mini series on talking about grad school. But anyways, yeah, this January is going to be the start of my last semester of school, my last semester of grad school, and I'm super excited. Come on, May. Up my new schedule. This has everything color-coded, marked for like the days that we meet in person on campus in class, and then the days that we are actually going to be online, which is what they call our mixed mode. I haven't come up with a word just yet for 2021. I've thought of a couple of things, but I don't want to share them just yet, I guess. Well, I guess I can. One word I was thinking of was conquer. I know like 2020, I don't even remember what I started out with my word as, but I think overall my word just ended up being overcomer. I just feel like greatness might be a good word, and I just have, you know, some exciting things in terms of business ventures that I'm trying to pursue and really buckle down and start working on in 2021. So greatness might be the word we go with. But one of my goals that I really wanted to gear towards was being refocused. And I just say refocused because I feel like with everything that happened this year in 2020, I really slipped away from a lot of things and lost focus. I also mentioned my business ventures. One of them being is I really want to work on pursuing real estate. I know it's like a very common thing now. I feel like almost now a lot of people are trying to get into real estate or are working on real estate, but I probably will work on starting the classes at least probably once I'm about halfway through my spring semester of grad school, because I don't want to put a lot on me and I don't know what to expect my last semester. I wanted to work on in the new year. I'm not gonna say lose weight. I'm not. I actually lost a lot of weight being pregnant, which is like the complete opposite of what you're supposed to do. But with my health conditions and everything that happened during my pregnancy, my nausea lasted almost all day long, and it lasted until I was 18 weeks pregnant. So, and then after having the baby, giving birth, you lose weight anyway. I weigh at now, I feel like I could lose maybe another 15 pounds. I'm just gonna put it out there. You guys probably looking at me and like, where? But like, my weight is up here in these girls. My thighs definitely did spread, but I'm not mad about it because I've never been a girl to have a booty. I've been kind of flat back there. I feel like I was born with my butt on my chest because I've always been a large chested girl, just being honest. But I'm very short and petite. Like, I'm only 5'2". I just really want to work on building my body strength overall. I want to get into like weightlifting, not like weightlifting and competing, that type of weightlifting, but I really just want to put a little bit of muscle on because I got some little bitty arms, you guys. Look how little my arms are. I want to work on toning, and I do want to work on growing my booty and make my girls look perky too, because I breastfeed, and you know, I don't want to have to go to Dr. Miami and be in a ton more debt of student loans because your girl needs some surgery, and I know Dr. Miami is not cheap. I have personally made the decision that I want to transition in the new year to being a vegetarian. This is just my personal preference and what I'd like to do, because I really want to get to a better place of healing my body and being able to heal it through food, because I know it can be done. I have seen and read a lot of testimonies and stories from people that have had lupus or other autoimmune conditions or have multiple conditions in terms of health, and they heal themselves through their food, and I get off my medications that I'm on for lupus right now. Thankfully, with the pregnancy, I was able to get down to just 2 medications, whereas before I was taking like 4 or 5 medications a day. Ease myself into it so that by the end of 2021, I'd like to be at least 75 to 80% vegetarian, and just kind of go from there. My time I spend on my phone. Now, this is a common one for a lot of us, I'm sure, but for me personally, like, I really am on my phone a lot. And the majority and the bulk of it is social media. I scroll back and forth between one or the other all throughout the day, and it's really unhealthy. It really, really is. I mean, I know this is like what the world's come to now. Like, pretty much everyone does it. But there's so many more enjoyable things that we can be doing outside of our phones if we actually take the time to do them. Something else I want to work on that became such a fail for me in 2020 was working on my reading. I just wanted to really get back into reading, and that's another thing. Like, reading can be so enjoyable if we're not taking so much time on our phones. And I've also thought about doing like some sort of like virtual book club. I've thought about doing that, but I want to do it with this devotional book. Another thing I want to work on, because I brought up the devotional book, is I really want to continue to strengthen and build up my faith. Personally, with a lot of the things that I've been through in my life, and especially going through a pregnancy and giving birth to my first child, when I was told I wouldn't even be able to have kids because of my health, definitely was an eye-opener that I need to work on that. Work on building and strengthening my faith. So I definitely want to work on it in the new year, because I feel like I really slacked a lot. Like in terms of like prayer and studying the Bible every day like I was doing consistently. I've been through so many things in my 20s that I never even imagined would happen to me, and you know, seeing God help me and pull, you know, see me through everything that I've been through so far, it's very eye-opening that I'm like, yeah, this is something I definitely need to work on. Book is what I'm thinking about doing a virtual book club on, just this book alone. And I think I do want to set it up, make an announcement across my social media starting tomorrow to see if anyone would be interested in doing it. And this will probably be with people that I know or don't know. And I would love to start this up next week. So you guys have probably seen this, I don't know, but it's a really, really good book. And I wish I stayed on top of it this year, but that's okay. So this is the prayer journal for women. So this would be a woman's book club, basically. And it's by the author Shannon Roberts. Basically a devotional for women, and it's 52 weeks, because there's 52 weeks in a year, if you didn't know that. So you just do this once a week, which is really nice, because sometimes life does get ahead of us and we don't have time to do something like this every single day. If any of you that I know or whatever don't know, that watch my channel and would be interested in doing a virtual book club with this book, definitely let me know. Those are like basically all the main things that I want to work on. So I'm ready. Let's crush our goals this year, you guys. I know we can do it. Oh, another thing too is I really want to work on getting out of debt. My progress, because I'm pretty much done, and it looks so much better in here, or over here I should say. So I've pretty much organized all of that, and my desk is so clean, you guys. It feels so good to have it nice and clean. I can see everything. Here's a sneak peek of my planner for this year, and you guys can probably tell what it is. but I'm going to save that for the next video that is going up on my channel. And then here is my calendar. So I'm just showing you guys, I already went ahead and took down December. No point to leave it up for just one day tomorrow. I already know the date. I know tomorrow's New Year's Eve, so I'm gonna leave this up for the whole year. Right here in the notes section, I've just put all of my goals for this year as a nice reminder. And then the quote, I am gonna stick with the word greatness as my word for this year. If you guys remember this song, please let me know in the comments down below. But this is quote the verse that Nicki Minaj said, and I actually loved that song for a really long time. So if you guys remember where this verse came from, like what song it was, write it in the comments down below. Alright guys, that completes this video because my camera is now dead. I have to charge it and then of course edit and upload this video. Hope you guys enjoyed. I love you, and I'll see you in the next video in a new year. Happy New Year to all of you and blessings. Bye.